Hey guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a tutorial, create with me, craft with me, inspirational type video. We're going to be making some beaded charm bookmarks using eyeglass cord from the Dollar Tree. The beaded eyeglass cords. We're going to be making bookmarks out of these, okay? And it's just really simple, y'all. Really simple. Very quick and easy for the most part, because all the work is pretty much done for you, okay? So see, this is eyeglass cord, right? You put your eyeglasses on the end of that, and then you have this hanging off. So I thought these beads are really pretty, but the thing is, these beads are flat, okay? Not very dimensional, so you can use them as a bookmark because they're pretty flat, right? So I got this one, sort of purple one, I guess you could say. This sort of brown and amber color one, and then this one. So that's very pretty, right? You can make different styles of this. All right, so let's go ahead and just it's going to have some charms on the end of it, and I will show you. Let me show you how to use it first. So here's one of my journals. This is my TN. Okay, so you just put it through there. All right, put it around there. Or yeah, I'll show you two ways you could do it. And yeah, so just make sure it's even on your page. And I think it looks really cute hanging off of a journal, right? Let's see. There we go. Look at that. So cute. I think it's a little long for a TN, but you certainly can use it. All right, now that's one way to use it. Now let me show you. Let's just flip it. Let's reverse it. All right, so we'll just do a couple of pages here. This is my TN I'm currently working in. All right, let's do that. And then look at that. You can have it hanging off the end there with your charms and your tassels. Okay, very pretty and so cool. You can have a couple of them hanging in there. You can have one hanging. You can have them hanging at the top or the bottom. It's up to you. So you see how, and then that's how it looks at the bottom. Okay. So I love that. I thought that was such a cute idea. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. And again, it's really simple because most of the work is done for you. Now here's a bigger journal. This is my bigger Jane Davenport journal. Let's move my charms out of the way, y'all. I pulled some charms out. So we're going to do some different charms. And you can just put some simple, really easy charms on here. Nothing too complicated. So this is my bigger Jane Davenport journal. All right, so let's just put it on one of these pages. Well, let's put it on two. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks better on a bigger journal. But like I said, you can use it in any type journal. Look at that. How pretty is that? How pretty is that inside of a journal? And it lays flat. And you can have your dangles hanging out the bottom or the top like I just did in the other one. So either way, it's cute. Either way. Y'all, either way, it's great. So these are the charms that are on this particular one. Okay, so very pretty. So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm going to show you really quick what I did. All right, so you can make your own beautiful little beaded bookmarks. Okay, so let's put the journals aside. And let's put this one aside. So let's open this one. All right. And I have my jewelry tools out, so you're just going to need a couple pairs of pliers when you do this. So you open it. All right. And these were hanging on an end cap in the Dollar Tree, sort of by sort of in front of the sunglasses. They're usually where the sunglasses are and the eyeglasses and stuff like that they sell there. All right. So look at that. That's so cute. And I like that the beads are flat. Well, these are a little round. So but they're small, so they should be okay. But you can test it and see. It's, it's up to you. So here's what I did, y'all. Literally just what I did. These two little black things on the end, right? See those two little black things? You literally just cut those off. These already have jump rings on the edge for you. Cut them off. Okay. Use scissors. I just happen to have these handy. And they see the jump rings are still on there. See the little jump rings? All right, we're going to keep those on there. And literally, you can probably make this just with just some small seed beads, because that's what these are. It's just seed beads and just some small beads. But these, if you use bigger beads, they have to be flat. So you can just take a piece of wire, you thread your beads, you know, put the wire through here, cut it, and that's it, really. But I say it again, the work is already done for you. Why reinvent the wheel? We just gonna keep it easy and keep it, you know, not complicated. So I love these charms. I just pulled it. Like, this is a little big, but I like it. So we're gonna see. And of course, you know, I have charms for days in my little containers here. Okay. I have all kinds of charms. I have, you know, dragonflies and bees, and oh, that dragonfly is pretty. I like that. Okay. Tassels. I got a few tassels. Oh wait, I like this tassel. Hold on. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Wait, well, this is even better. Hold on. I'm picking out ones for the other one. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. Okay. So we will save that for the other one. And then you can use gold or silver, whichever one you want. And then, of course, I pulled out some of my newer charms here. And I might even use one or two of these. I think that would be kind of cute, huh? A gummy bear and a flower. I think that's really cute. So, see, like the gummy bear will be really cute. But it's gold, though. That's the only thing. So if you want to stick with the silver, which I kind of do. Yeah, these are gold, too. So, keep that in mind. If you know, don't mind mixing your metals, that's one thing. But I kind of want to keep it cohesive. So, I'm just going to get some jump rings. And these are how I store my jump rings. So, I'm just going to get a couple of 4mm. Some 4mm heavyweights. Okay. Let's get those out. And then we're going to just take our pliers and open up our jump ring. Well, first of all, before we do that, y'all, let's lay out pick our charms that we want on here. I like this one. I like the dragonfly. That's pretty. That's pretty cute. I'll have that one for this one. Oh, that's cute for that. I have such random. Oh, that's cute. I like that with the mask. I like that. Okay. And then we're gonna do. I mean, I could do that, but how about a key? Let's just do a key. I think that would be kind of cute. See, that's cute. Little layout there. Okay, so we'll save these because we got a couple more to make. And then with this brown one, you can probably do some vintage charms on here. I think that would be really cute inside of like a vintage TN or a vintage junk journal or something like that. Or a vintage art journal. I think that would be really cute. All right, guys, so we're just going to take our jump ring and just open up our jump ring. You can use some bent nose pliers or some flat nose pliers. Doesn't matter. As long as you can open it. All right, so you just open it. You put your charms on here. And like I said, I left that other jump ring on there because I'm going to utilize it. I might just use two. Why not? We want them to dangle. So just put them on there. Close them up. Easy breezy, right? You could put your tassels on here. It'd be really pretty with some tassels. Okay. Just use this. Get another jump ring. Open it. This is such an easy, quick, easy little project for you. A little quick hack, I guess you could say. A little Dollar Tree hack. All right, so I'm going to just put the jump ring in there. And you don't want the charms to be too heavy, so because it will weigh it down and probably get all bunched up in the journal, you know. So, look, guys, very pretty, right? So pretty. Imagine something like this pretty hanging out of your journal, right? And you can make it in different themes. So if you have a garden journal, you can put floral charms on it. If it's a circus journal, you can do circus charms. You know, you can do a number of whatever theme journals that you have. Like mine is whimsical, so I can do something very whimsical in mine. This one's is not. There's no theme in this big one. I just, put some stuff down, but you can put anything in there. So yeah, these are really cute and really easy to make. So I hope this inspires you to create something really cute out of these. You can make these, you can give them as gifts and so on, I think these are nice because a lot of us who do journaling and jewelry. So see, I mixed the two things I love the most. Art, journaling, and jewelry. Mix it together. Yeah, this is great for us because we get to make some pretty, baubles for our journals. So I like adding jewelry elements to my journals. I think it's great. So, and this is what we all just doing here. I'm just putting it on the jump ring. I'm not putting it on the wire. I'm putting it on the jump ring. Okay, and just close up your jump ring. And then we will put it in the journal and see how it looks, okay? Like I said, I wouldn't put real heavy charms on here just because I don't think that it would work. But, when you make yours, you can do whatever you like. All right, so there. Look at that. Done and done. Look at that. How pretty. Almost looks like a really pretty necklace. Hold on. So let's see. Okay, it's really cute. And you can watch this video on full screen so you can really see up close. Look at that. How cute is that? I love it. So we'll take our little bits here and toss them. So now let's put them in our journal. Let's see. All right. Our little Dollar Tree hack for a bookmark. Okay. So you can do it like that. I have a lot going on in this journal, but that's the way I want it. And how pretty is that? Look at that. So cute hanging off of there. Well, you can't really, because of the angle here. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Cute. Can you see it a little bit? Yeah, right there and right here. Cute. And look how it hangs over there. I love that. And let's see. Let's put the other one in here too. Hold on. Okay. So look at that. We have both of them in there. I mean, it's a little much with two, just so you know. So you can put one at the bottom, maybe one at the top. I have them both here just to show you. See, one's sticking out. So, but yeah, see, look at that. How pretty little beaded bookmarks. All right. Let's see. Let me try to put it at the bottom. Let's see. Let's try, because that might be a little much. And then we'll put it on another page too. We'll put it back here. This is the journal I'm working in. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here we go. Let's see. You do have to be gentle because, it is Dollar Tree stuff. So you do have to be gentle, and that's not you make your own. So I just put it around the page like that, and I close the journal. So look at that. I got something good going at the top. Right? And then I got something good at the bottom. Look at how pretty. So again, this is just a TN size, so it's a little long for the TN. But if you did it in a bigger journal, like this is a 6x9 size right here, this Jane Davenport, or even a bigger one, 8x10 size journal, I think it'd be great. Okay. So guys, that is my little Dollar Tree hack for you for a beaded bookmark using eyeglass cord. Okay. Using the cords for eyeglasses to make some bookmarks, really pretty bookmarks. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I thank you for watching. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer it and get back to you. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because I have all kinds of stuff on my channel and lots of videos coming out. And give me a follow on my social media at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at Stephanie Garrett Designs on Facebook and Instagram. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.